testing earlier, the AI with Silicon Labs. If you guys remember, the product owners essentially told us that we had to make a Copilot that is able to make a blinking LED, right? So if you come to Silicon or Simplicity Studios, which is the IDE, here you can see the connected devices. I don't have anything connected, and all the boards, right? This is where you could develop for a board that you don't even have. So these are all the boards that they support with their software and stuff. So if I grab a random one, which hopefully has an LED, like perhaps this one, I click start to make a new project with it. They let you choose documentation and stuff for the specific, so you get the specific board and stuff. I'm just go with the minimum project, and I'm gonna do an empty project that has no blinking LED or anything in it. Click next. I'm gonna just say blinking LED project. Click finish. So yeah, before I thought we would have to do some RAG stuff to grab the documentation for each board dynamically, and then feed it to the AI so he has context on the board. But as you can see, like when I quick started this project, they kind of document some of the stuff here already. This is an empty project that has.
Loki, I think it's in this config file, directory.
Yeah,
Open the config.
I'm not sure. Config. Where's config?
It's right there.
Oh shit, config.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Look, see pin config.
Yeah, so it seems to have some config that, even for quick starting a project that's completely empty, they like do stuff. Let's see, is this a blinking LED? This doesn't seem to be blinking LED. It's just starting the kernel and stuff. So if I go to the client and say, hi client, can you make a blinking LED project for this board? And then let it run. It's gonna look at all the files in the project, and it's gonna start exploring using the documentation that's already provided here, which is perfect because when I tested it last, it was able to make a blinking LED without having to like do any sort of dynamic grabbing of any documentation or anything. So as you can see, it's still exploring. It's looking at other files. Just trying to read more files. You see the config, the pin config, the one that Henrique just mentioned. Now I can see the project structure, blah, blah, blah. It's trying to read another file, the board default, blah, blah, blah. So it even identified the exact board, EFM32, GG111B, which is right here. Okay, I wasn't able to get the full name, but that's fine. So I'm just trying to edit the file app.c. I'm gonna just click approve. I wonder if it's doing syntax highlighting. It isn't actually, it's fine, whatever. So it's an empty project. I click approve. And as you can see, it's able to make a blinking LED, right? You see here, it's able to identify the port through the documentation, the blinking delay, et cetera, et cetera. So I think actually, the scope is actually not that as bad as I thought it would be. We just have to essentially just clean up this chat to make it more user friendly and stuff. And then yeah, it's gonna edit the README, but I'm gonna just leave it like that for this quick demo.